To scan for unknown trackers on the Pixel 11 Pro, you will have to start by opening the system settings, go for your Google account, select all services, and next you will have to scroll down. Keep scrolling, and you have to go for the unknown tracker alerts. Then make sure that it will be turned on as default, and now click here and it will just simply start scanning. We have to wait until it hits the 100%, and you will be able to find everything there is around you. So we have to just be patient and wait for it. And as you can see around me, I've got like 2 Apple tags, Apple AirTags, and another one, but it doesn't actually show what it is. You can play sound. Yeah, I'm not sure if we can hear this, but it's actually playing sound, so we can actually we are able to actually locate this.